Inna your business, them lurking. Tell them straight up, say you not like it. Them always go on like them a ding. From the day me know myself, me know me. Them only know you when them end up in a crisis.
Back to the channel. I'm about to get ready and carve a pumpkin. It's my first time carving a pumpkin. I'm a little nervous, but I wanted to share this with you guys because Monday is Halloween. And this video needs to be out on Sunday. Either way, I got this kit. Y'all know where I get all my stuff from, so yeah. This right here is the Pumpkin Master Kit on carving a pumpkin. And it has like different things in the book that I can carve. I'm gonna read some of them. So we have, so this one right here is called Spooky Cat. I thought about doing this one, but probably not. This one is Welcome. This looked like it might be easy to do, but I'm not sure. Halloween Owlet. I don't know if y'all can see the names. But yeah, so you just take it and you carve it into the pumpkin. So it should make it easy. It shouldn't be hard at all. But I've been watching videos and I'm just like, yeah. This one's called Swirl Spooky. That really do look kind of spooky. But this video is going to be a voiceover video. Oh, this one, I might could do this one. Yeah, this video, I like this one. Okay, this might be the one right here. It say, oh, and then tell you if it's easy or if it's challenging. Challenging. So, they got one on here that I wanted to show y'all. Let me see, where is it? I do not see it. It was called Auntie Ethel. That's the one. Oh, look at this one, Over the Moon. But yeah, the one I was trying to show y'all was called Auntie Ethel. It's this one right here, just the regular one. Look at it. That's the one I want to do with the shade. Okay. Yeah, these are blood pack. They're like IV packages. I don't know if y'all can see them, but it's like the IV packages that you get at the hospital. And it got like little blood fingerprints on it. And I was at work looking like, I know he ain't put these blood fingerprints on there. This right here, honey, I already had one. I had a different flavor. So this one, you just take the top off like this. Y'all. Whew. Yes, honey. It's super cute. Good. Let me know if y'all want some, you know, for Halloween parties or anything like that, because yeah. But okay, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, guys. First fact about Halloween. Americans spend over $100 on Halloween things, as far as outfits, candy. And you know something that I noticed this year, because I work at Target, is that candy was like $10.99 for a big old bag. The bags now are like $15.99, $20, and I'm just like, whoa, America, slow down. Number 2, there's a reason why black and orange are associated with Halloween. Orange signals the harvest of autumn, while black is a symbol of darkness and acts as a reminder that Halloween once was a festival marked the boundaries between life and death. Okay, y'all, pumpkins stank. It really do. Okay, I had to put the gloves on. Either way, this was about the hardest part for me, was getting the bottom out. That's what the instructions said, do it from the bottom, but I've seen a lot of people do it from the top, which would have probably been a little bit more easier, because I would have been able to just to pull the top off. Okay, guys, number 3. Pumpkins are classified as a fruit. Who would have known? Because they do have seeds in them. They are not considered a vegetable because anything that originates from the likes of a flower is technically a fruit. Something to remember. Halloween is an original holiday. It originated something like 2,000 years ago, so it is an ancient holiday which we celebrate on October 31st, which is the New Year Eve in a different country, according to the History Channel. It's believed that the dead returned to Earth that night, so they lit bonfires and wore costumes to wear off ghosts. All right, y'all. Listen, I got the bottom part done. Number 5. Irish immigrants brought Halloween to the U.S. During the mid 1800s, a flood of Irish immigrants fled to the United States, bringing the tradition of Halloween with them. Trick-or-treating was inspired by the medieval English tradition of souling, which involved children going door to door on Halloween, offering prayers for residents and their deceased loved ones. Number 6. Candy wasn't given out to trick-or-treaters until the 1950s. Halloween simply wouldn't be the same without those fun size candy bars, But there was a time when trick-or-treaters didn't receive candy at all, but rather pieces of cake, fruit, nuts, coins, and toys, according to the History Channel. According to the candy store, Skittles are Americans' favorite candy. Everyone wanted to taste the rainbow in 2020 of Halloween. Skittles were the top candy last year, followed by Reese's Cups and Starburst. Number 8. Candy corn is Americans' least favorite candy. To me, in my opinion, candy corn, I don't even know what it tastes like. I don't even think I ate it. Just because it has the word candy and corn. Candy corn? Who came up with that? I feel like I done did something. Because listen, that was hard. It wasn't hard, but it was a challenge. So I'm going to take the tape off. Put it in. Look, y'all, the final project. Let me put something in there to make light. Do y'all see? And it ain't even dark in here. Like, listen, y'all. I feel like I want to. It's cute or whatever. It's cute. Let me show y'all the picture. This one, let me turn the lights on. Okay, y'all. So this one was Aunt Ethel. Don't tell me it looked like it without telling me it looked like it. Look at that. And then, ew, disgusting. And Aunt Ethel. Hey, Aunt Ethel. This is cute. Y'all, I'm about to go put this in the hood at somebody's door. No, I'm just kidding. But I am gonna I'm gonna put it outside though. I think it's cute or whatever. Not outside my place because anyways, I'm ready for Christmas because y'all know I love Christmas. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and what better way to end the month of October without a YouTube video? Like, we're gonna end this October month with a bang. That's why I'm bringing you this banger video for the month of October. And November's approaching. November, December, January, those are some they're not stressful months, but I did lose my grandmother in those months, as well as my aunt, and I have lost family members in the month of November. You guys, as much as content as I can for the month of November. I'm about to start my math class. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna need a tutor. a manager, a tutor, a cameraman or woman. My man probably going want me to have a woman cameraman, or my man could just be my cameraman. Either way, it's gonna play out. I start my math class November 7th, I believe, and I am not ready for this. I'm not ready for it, y'all. So I'm gonna do as much as I can. And another thing, for the month of December, I'm gonna do vlogmas. And if you watch YouTube as much as I do, then you know what vlogmas is. What is it? You count down the days to Christmas with the video a day. How am I gonna do that? Only time will tell. Yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And what are y'all gonna be for Halloween? Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be Pocahontas, or if I'm gonna be Jasmine, or if I'm gonna just be me. And without further ado, have a great November.